Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. So, class 2, last time we have finished our chapter 3, right? So, today we are going to start a new chapter. As you can see on the screen, the name of the chapter is Operating a Computer. This is your chapter number 4, Operating a Computer. So, everyone, please open your computer book and please open page number 33 of your computer book. On page number 33, as you can see, we are having a new chapter, Operating a Computer. So, we will understand what this chapter contains. This chapter basically contains how to work on a computer. We will learn how to work on a computer. That means you will learn how to start a computer, right? Then we will learn what is desktop, what is Windows 10. Okay, we will learn this one by one. You have to keep your book open with me. You have to keep your book open and you have to see what I am teaching you and you can match your topics, right? After doing page number 33, we will do page number 34. Let me show you. Now, this is your page number 34, right? And you can see on this page, we will learn what are icons, what is taskbar, right? We will learn these things today. Then we will learn starting a program, how you can start, how you can resize. These things we will learn on page number 34. Then we will discuss the next page. Now, this is your page number 35. It contains only one topic, as you can see here. The name of the topic is how to shut down a computer. Today I will tell you how you can shut down your computer, right? You will learn how to start a computer, how to shut down a computer. So are you ready? So let's start. Operating a computer. We will discuss today how to operate a computer. Children, in the previous chapter, we have learned about the parts and functions of a computer. Now, let us learn how to work on a computer. To start a computer, follow these steps. We will learn the steps. Number 1, switch on the main power supply button. You can see the button, you will switch it on. Then number 2, switch on the UPS button. UPS is uninterrupted power supply. If the electricity goes off, the UPS makes the computer work. Okay? Then third step, switch on the power supply button of the CPU. Then the fourth and the last step is switch on the monitor button and wait for some time. You can see this picture also on your book on page number 33, right? You will find a welcome screen of Windows like you can see on the screen here. Now you can see computer is starting, right? So you have started your computer by following the 4 steps that are given in your book. Children, you will enjoy using Windows as it is a very easy to use. Now what is Windows? Windows is the most popular program that makes the computer work. The first display screen that appears on the starting of a computer is known as the desktop. You can see the desktop, the blue colored desktop is there. The desktop holds many small pictures known as icons. Please see your page number 34. The thin bar at the bottom of desktop is called taskbar. This is taskbar, this is desktop, these are icons, right? Now, when you peep through your bedroom window, you can see different views, right? From your window you can see many views now. In the same way, you can open and view many programs in Windows. Okay? For example, Paint, movies, music, games, right? These are many programs that you can use in computer, in Windows. Then is starting a program. How you can start any program? It is on page 34 of your computer book. Please see the heading. So let us learn how to start a program. So first, to start any program, you will click on start button like this. I have clicked on start button. Then you will go to all programs, okay? Or Windows accessories. Then you can choose accessories option. And then you can choose any program. I am choosing WordPad. You can see here WordPad. Then WordPad window will open. This is the WordPad window. You can see here. This is WordPad. Title bar. The topmost blue bar of the WordPad is known as title bar. Next topic is resizing a window. On 34 page, you can change the size of a window, right? You can also change the size. How? Look at the control buttons at the top right corner of the title bar. You can see here these are the control buttons, right? There are 3 control buttons. Click on middle button. It is on page number 34. The steps are on page number 34. Click on middle button, restore down. Then number 2, the WordPad window will become small in size, right? Then you can see it is small in size. Then number 3, click again on the middle button to get back to its normal size. You can see now it is in normal size when we click on the middle button again. Now on page 35 the topic is how to shut down a computer. You will learn this, how you can shut down your computer. So let us discuss. After your work is finished, right? You should always shut down the computer. Okay, after finishing your work. How to shut down? First, you will click on the start button. You can see here, this is the start button. Okay. Then the second step is you will click on the shutdown option. You can see here, either you will click on power button or you will click on shutdown directly, and your computer is shutting down now. You can see the computer is shutting down. Now wait for some time till the computer turns off automatically. Then switch off the monitor button. Okay. And then switch off the UPS and the main power supply button.